Hi guys, so just a short video of a day after, or not today, actually about 3 days after I put the coilovers down, and car has settled a bit more than when I first put it. So yeah, just a short video guys, just to show you all how it looks after installing the ARC coilovers, and just how the tires are now sitting, how the suspension is sitting on the tires, the rims. As you can see, I'm sitting slightly, get a shot, clear shot, sitting slightly out of the arch. Yeah, so it doesn't normally touch. As you can see, it looks like the original lip on the, better look. So as you can see, the original lip of the Accord, from where I'm looking, doesn't look like it's totally straight. It looks like it's got a slight curve downwards. So because this of the offset of the smag now, and the tire being stretched slightly over, it did rub a couple of times, but not on normal driving. It's just if there's a very bad incline, like my driveway, did touch a bit. Did touch a bit, but nothing hectic at all. It would help if that lip was slightly rolled, but I'm not gonna rush into anything at the moment. That's the rear. This is the front. Front is sitting also slightly over, but you get more clearance on the front here because this lip is like already rolled from the factory. See, there's no lip. No lip. Yeah, so you'll get away with the front even with a more aggressive drop. You will get away with the front. Just a shot from here. This is how it's sitting here in the front. It is peeking out slightly out of the car. It's like a perfect stance look though. Perfect stance look. Nothing too overly aggressive. And that's the rear, left hand side. Tire is sitting slightly negative. I think it was like about 1 point something degree negative, if I can remember correctly. So obviously as it goes more into the arch, because these are non-adjustable cambers, it will get a bit more negative as you lower it. Nothing too hectic that's going to eat the tire terribly bad, depending on how much mileage you do also. Yeah, so I'm more than happy with the fitment. I'm going to show you guys the actual ride on the ARC in another video. Yeah, but I just said I'll show you guys how it kind of looks at the moment after the drop. This car really needed a drop. There's it. It is a long car. It is a very long car. So when you drop it, it looks like even longer. Car is looking sick for now. Yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm gonna be happy with it for a long time, I think. Also, the front is not overly low, so you'll get away most places. Except my driveway. Yeah, guys. That's the Accord. Drop suspension, rim upgrade, tire upgrade. By the way, guys, Bridgestone. Ish, what a tire. This is the Bridgestone Potenza Sport, and I never chat about this tire too much. Maybe after I ride in it, but obviously you guys know what Bridgestone is all about. This is the Potenza Sport. I was gonna go something economical on the pocket for the tires, but when I weighed out the cost versus safety calculation, they didn't make sense to me. So yeah, it came to a little bit extra on the tires, so I said let me just invest one time, because you know, tires is such a thing that you mess around with the tires, you're basically messing around with your life. So already I can see when I'm hitting slight tight corners, I don't think it's the coilovers that much, but the fact that it's dropped, but the tires is just turning into corners. It's just sticking. So yeah, we'll go through another video with that. This tire is good for wet and dry weather, but not for track use. Yeah, apparently it just melts on the track with the heat. It is a soft compound, but yeah, I guess safety first, guys. Yeah, guys, leave your comments, let me know what you think. See you next time.